Today, we're going to make a boozy dessert cocktail called the Night Nurse. Now, just recently, I shared a tropical Negroni riff called the Night Nurse, and as I was trying to find out more about that one, I came across another Night Nurse cocktail, which was created by Marshal, and the drinks are not related. The one today is far from a Negroni riff, and will be rummy, creamy, chocolatey, and almond-y. Now, this is apparently a riff on the Silk Stocking, which is a 70s style drink with tequila, amaretto, and cream. Now, the rum in question for today's drink is the Denison Merchant's Reserve, which we rarely see in drinks outside of Mai Tai, so that's cool. And I do want to get into this rum a little bit, the assumptions on what rum to use in this recipe, and why our assumptions are often wrong. But first, let's make the Night Nurse. Start with half an ounce of grenadine, half an ounce of a white creme de cacao, half an ounce of an amaretto, three-quarter ounces of cream, and then 1.5 ounces of Denison Merchant's Reserve. Then I'll garnish this with some nutmeg. So there you go, the Night Nurse. Let us try the Night Nurse. Cheers. And this is so good. It is not too sweet. It's not like a cloyingly sweet dessert cocktail. If you're following along, I just made a pink squirrel very recently. Which seems similar to this drink, but that wasn't intentional. It's just kind of a coincidence. But this is much less sweet. And what's nice about this creamy drink is it is rum forward first. I mean, the first thing you can really taste is the rum, followed by the grenadine. I use a fresh grenadine that I make. And then you get a bit of the nuttiness from amaretto, but that it doesn't really overpower the drink like many amaretto forward drinks do. Interestingly enough, the chocolate is pretty subtle. It's definitely not the first thing you pick up. First thing you pick up is the Denison Merchant's Reserve rum. This, I'm not sharing this around the holidays, but this would be an excellent holiday cocktail, but it's outside the holiday season. You want a creamy dessert drink? This is excellent. Now, this works so well, and it almost didn't. Let's talk about the rum and why I use Denison Merchant's Reserve and kind of the assumptions we have when we see recipes. This recipe is not widely available. I only found it because I was looking for other information on the other Night Nurse. I came across like 1 or 2 blog posts and then a sort of PDF from Denison. And anything ever said was to use Denison rum. Now, when I'm looking at this and thinking about the Silk Stocking and a tequila cocktail, my automatic assumption is that we're talking about a light rum. Not because that would be good, but because so many older historic cream cocktails used a light Puerto Rican style rum, or in this case, they don't say specifically to use Merchant's Reserve. So I was planning on making the video with that, but I thought, last minute, I reached out to Marshall on Instagram and I asked him, can you confirm which rum? Is it the Merchant's Reserve, the light, or the dark? And he said, it's the Merchant's Reserve. So it just goes to show you that sometimes we see recipes, we jump to assumptions about what to use when we don't have the full information, and it's very likely that our assumptions are wrong. And this just happened with some people in comments here on YouTube and also the MakeAndDrink Discord for another recent cocktail, which was the Night Nurse, the Negroni riff, because that recipe calls for an overproof Jamaican rum, and when I hear overproof Jamaican, I go to one of these bottles right here exclusively. But in the comments and in Discord, like many people thought to use Ray and Nephew or OFTD or something else. And no one in this case is right or wrong. It just shows that like we all have assumptions about what to use in a recipe. And unless you have all the right information, you just have to guess. I can't reach out to every bartender, drink creator, for every cocktail because I do hundreds of cocktails a year. Just don't have the bandwidth or the time or can wait around for an answer. But I am so glad that Marshall responded here because this would be a much worse drink had I just used a light rum, even though I do enjoy the taste and flavor of the Denizen light rum. So this is very good. If there's ever been a crushable cream cocktail, maybe this is it. It's got plenty of booze in there for this tiny little drink too. We got 1.5 ounces, Denizen Merchant's Reserve. Delicious, spectacular. Nothing wrong with any of these flavors, all things you can get behind. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like below. Consider subscribing to the channel. If you want to support this channel more, check out my Patreon page. Otherwise, see you in the next one.